Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is my first video on the channel. I'm a bit nervous, so you may find some mistake in the way I talk, but it's okay guys. I'll be better with time. So without wasting any time, let's come to the main purpose of this video. So today in this video, we shall discuss the final cutoff for grade 3 of Adre 2.0. So today we shall discuss a cutoff for bachelor's degree and degree with computer. So as you have seen here, I have written the written cutoff, okay, for both the bachelor's degree and degree with computer. So first of all, we shall discuss the expected final cutoff for degree with computer. Okay, so but before we discuss the final cutoff, first of all, we shall see the factors that can influence the factors. Yes or no? We know that there are, in this year, there are chance of overlapping. Yes or no? But you have seen that in degree with computer, there is very less chance of overlapping, because we have seen that bachelor's degree cutoff was higher than degree with computer. Okay? And we know that most of the candidates that get selected here in the bachelor's degree, they will definitely be selected with in the degree with computer. Okay, so there will be less chance that there will be overlapping here, because of course they will be selected in this post, because here the cutoff was less. Okay, so we have seen that degree with computer cutoff was 117 for general category. Okay, so let's take the written cutoff 117, and let's take the average marks, because taking only the cutoff is not enough. We have to take extra at least 4 or 5 marks. Okay, so in this case I'm taking 5 marks, and we know that the skill test was for 25 marks. Okay, so let's say that out of 25, if any candidate scored 20, okay, that means he has a high chance of qualifying for the exam. Okay, so if you plus this 117 plus 5 plus 20, you will get 140. So the final cutoff for degree with computer for general will be in between 140, say plus minus, means plus 2 marks here and there, and minus 2 marks. So 140 to 145, that will be the cutoff for degree with computer for general. Okay, so same way you have seen for reserved for women. Yes or no? For SC 104 plus 5 plus 18, 127. Okay, for ST planes, clear or not? So for ST planes, I have taken the skill test marks as 17, because we know that if for general it is 20 the skill test marks. So let's say here for SC how much, for ST planes how much, 17. Same way for ST hills, 15. Okay, so these are the expected final cutoff for degree with computer. Any candidate that will score 142 in general, no, then SC 127, ST planes 123, ST hills 108, then OBC and OBC 134 have a high chance of qualifying. Yes, these are not the original cutoff. There may be difference of at least 2 to 3 marks. Okay, but according to me, the cutoff should be between this range that I have written here. So I hope this explains the video for you. So now let's move on to the next category. Okay, so now let's move to the next category, that is bachelor's degree. Okay, but before we discuss the expected final cutoff, let us see the factors that could influence the cutoff. Okay, so the main factor is overlapping. Okay, like we have seen that in bachelor's degree with computer, the cutoff was how much? 117 for general. Yes or no? And then in bachelor's degree it is 137.75. So we have clearly seen that bachelor's degree cutoff was higher than degree with computer, and we know that for both the categories the paper was same. Yes or no? That means any candidates who clear bachelor's degree will definitely clear the degree with computer. Okay, so in this category we have a high chance of overlapping. Okay, maybe 20 to 25%. Okay, keeping that in mind, I have given the average marks plus the marks for the skill test. Okay, so this time I have not taken the skill test marks as 20. Yes or no? Because we know that due to our lapping, many posts or many candidates will be selected in this post. Okay, it is said that 1:2 ratio. Okay, but I can tell you that in this post at least 75% of the candidate will be selected and only maybe 25 to 30% may be left out. Okay, so let's see what will be your safe score for final cutoff. So cutoff was 137.75. Let's say 138 plus average marks 5, and then the skill test marks 18. If you plus, you will get 161. Okay, that means you can expect the final cutoff to be between 160 to 163. 1 or 2 marks you can do plus minus. Okay, so same way for SC, how much? 127 plus 5 plus 17, 149, plus minus 1 or 2 marks. Okay, for ST plains, how much? 145 plus minus 1 or 2 marks. For ST hills, how much? 132 plus minus 1 or 2 marks. And for OBC MOBC, how much? 153 plus minus 1 or 2 marks. Okay, so according to me, this could be the final cutoff for selection. Okay, but still then we are not sure about this, but I hope that this explains the video. Okay, and any candidate, if you belong to general category, if you score more than 160 marks, if you get more than 160 marks, written cutoff plus the skill test. Okay, that means you have a good chance of qualifying, or you have a good chance of getting the job. Okay, so same way for the SC I have written, ST plains, ST hills, and then OBC MOBC. Okay, so guys, this was my first video. I may be nervous, I may be not speaking well, but I hope I could clear some of your doubts. So if you need another video for HS level, you please do comments and do support me by subscribing to the channel. Okay, so best of luck guys, and all the best. Okay.